Amazon has just introduced AI-powered glasses for their delivery drivers, and they might quietly reshape the future of work. These glasses scan packages, give real-time navigation, and record proof of delivery without drivers ever looking at their phones. It's safer, faster, and surprisingly seamless. But here's the deeper story. Every delivery, every route, every movement is now data. Information that teaches Amazon's systems how humans move, think, and deliver. And remember, Amazon already has over 1 million robots working in its warehouses. For now, these glasses help humans do their jobs better, but one day they could help robots do them instead. Will this make people unemployed? Not immediately. Amazon is already retraining staff to guide and manage automation, not compete with it. The biggest shift is that work itself is changing, from physical effort to digital oversight, from repetition to direction. Perhaps one day we won't work just to survive, but to create, to guide, to innovate. Until then, let's stay curious, build responsibly, and make sure this new world includes everyone. Do you think AI will replace delivery drivers? Share your thoughts and follow news creators for more stories shaping our future.